Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use AI Assist for notes and call logs in Recruit CRM. AI Assist helps you quickly summarize notes, extract key points, improve your writing, and create reusable prompts to make note-taking faster and more consistent. Let's start with AI Assist for notes. Navigate to any candidate, company, contact, job, or deal, and open the record. Then go to the Activities panel and click on the Add Note button. Start typing your note. This can be a quick update, a conversation summary, or any other important details you'd like to save. Once you've entered your note, click on the AI Assist icon in the Note Editor. This opens the AI Assist panel, where you'll find 3 default prompts along with all of your saved prompts. Select Summarize to shorten your note into a concise summary. You can also choose Extract Key Points to turn your note into easy-to-read bullet points, or Improve to enhance the clarity and tone of your writing. After you select a prompt, AI Assist generates an updated version of your note. Review the generated content, and if you're happy with it, click on the Replace button. If you'd like to keep the original note, click on the Copy button to copy the generated text instead. To generate another version, click on the Regenerate option. Once you're satisfied with your note, click on Add to save it as usual. You can also use the same AI Assist features while creating call logs. On a candidate or a contact record where you'd like to log a call, open the Profiles page, navigate to the Activities panel, and click on the Call Log button. When the Add Call Log form opens, select all the details and start adding your call notes in the Note field. Once you've added your call notes, click on the AI Assist button in the Note Editor and select any of the prompts discussed earlier. After you select a prompt, AI will generate the content. Review the generated content, then use Regenerate, Copy, or Replace based on your preference. Once you're satisfied, click on Submit to add your call log as usual. Now let's look at how to create and manage your own custom prompts. If you regularly use the same instructions, custom prompts save you from typing them every time. Open the AI Assist panel and enter your instruction into the prompt field. For example, you can add an instruction to summarize your notes in a specific format. Once you've added your prompt, click on the Save button to save it. Then enter a name for your prompt and choose whether to keep it private or share it with your teammates by turning on this toggle so they can use it as well. Click Save to store your prompt. After it's saved, the prompt will appear under the Saved Prompt options. To use a saved prompt, open Saved Prompts and click the one you'd like to use. If you use certain prompts frequently, click on the pin icon next to the name to keep it at the top of the list for quicker access. You can unpin a prompt at any time by clicking on the same pen icon again. If you no longer need one of your custom prompts, simply click on the trash icon to delete it. Note that you can only delete prompts you've created yourself, not ones created by your teammates. AI usage is subject to monthly token limits based on your Recruit CRM plan, and if you reach your monthly token limit, AI-generated features will become available again once your token allowance resets at the start of your next billing cycle. And that's it! You now know how to use AI Assist for notes and call logs in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the chatbot in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching.